Python 3, Class Inheritance and Private Fields. I am trying to understand how class inheritance works in Python 3, in particular how private fields interact with local and inherited methods. Here are some examples to illustrate the issue. First, if a variable var in the superclass is public, then any method in the subclass will also be able to alter it. The same is not true if the variable underscore var in the superclass is private. Any inherited method will ignore modifications done by the subclass. Local methods in the subclass can alter it. But in order to use an inherited method with the altered value, I must use self.superclass var instead of self.var in the subclass. Why is this the case? Are private fields not being inherited by the subclasses and therefore the variable self.var inside the subclass is not pointing to the same value the variable self.var inside superclass?
Python doesn't really have private variables. There are two conventions. Variables prefixed with _var are used to let you and other people know that it's intended to be private. Variables prefixed with two underscores, _var, are also mangled by Python interpreter and also are prefixed by class name, but they are still accessible like self.superclass var in your example. See also the documentation. There is one more issue in your code. You are using class variables, not instance variables. This is what usually called static class variables in other languages. Check this example. And when you are doing self.var equals XXX assignments in your methods, you just hide the class level variable and add the new instance level variable with same name. See also the documentation, this URL.
I'm